And then...
Did it? Sorry about that.
Okay. Well, it smells different.
I think
You want to borrow my jacket?
it's okay. I just
Use it
lost
for sleeping?
only for sleeping, so again.
Because I miss you already. Gusto ko kaya mo na-check ko yung pa mo.
I'm okay.
No, you're not. Be okay. Be okay.
I'm okay, promise. Hindi ko lang talaga na pigilan na. Hindi ko na talaga kaya.
Okay lang. Basta,
Sorry, kuya.
Okay lang.
Ka nandito pa.
Because I miss you already.
Nakakaroon.
I was sitting there by myself. Not there, so just this.
Go na. Good night. Kaya talaga ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Sabog na ako. Kuya,
Don't explode.
Good night na. Ayan na ako kay kuya.
Do you sleep here? Yeah. Bantayan mo.
Yak na kaya parami ka.
She cries. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna tickle her. I'm gonna tickle her till she can't breathe anymore. She'll die. Ay. So she'll stop. No more crying.
Oo nga. Ano yan ako kuya? Bakit naman? Okay lang yan.
Parang yung pamo, yung sa pamo, baka hindi ba tayo?
Oo nga. Kung makinig dyan.
So I told her if she cries, I'm gonna come in and I'm just gonna tickle her. And then she won't be able to cry.
Bakit pag sa'yo nag-open up si pamo? Just...
Sa inyo din naman eh.
Charot.
Night. Oh, night.
Night.
Nakalimutan mag-good night sa atin, dalawa.
Oo, dun sa isa lang na good night.
Ayoko na.
Okay.
Dun ka na lang, dun ka na mag-good night.
Night, Pamu.
Oo,
Ay, nahuli.
Tapadpang kita.
Night, Pamu.
Good night.
Bless you.
Divine.
Night. Night.
Parang hindi Ay,
Kanino to?
Pamo.
Pamo.
Sorry.
Keri.